In front of me is TECNO Pova Neo tool, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password from Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then use this gear next to Google. So click. Tap on Google Password Manager and select a password that you wish to get rid of. Enter your screen lock. Tap on Delete button and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!